Hey, this is Rob Houston. Happy New Year from all of us at Visit Enid. And while the holiday season is over, you still have the rest of this week to come experience some holiday magic here in the downtown area. It's one of 4 more reasons to visit Enid this week. The One Bright Lights, the Christmas tree over Enid, will be lit through Saturday. You'll still have that chance to come down and enjoy the synchronized light show beginning at 6 p.m. each night. A special closing ceremony will be held Saturday at 6:30 p.m. with special musical guest Taylor Fassell. So if you weren't able to get to Enid during the holiday season, you still have a chance to come see this magnificent 122-foot tall Christmas tree. The One Bright Lights will be open through Saturday with the closing ceremony at 6:30. Of course, right next to the tree is the skating rink, Holidays on Ice, in downtown Enid. And the ice rink will stay open through Sunday. They'll have some special games for you on Saturday as well. It's called the Snowflake Showdown. It'll be Saturday from 3 until 8 with 5 rounds of winter fun. Games will not be on the ice itself, just at the rink. Go to skateenenid.com for more information on that. If you just want to come and skate, Thursday 5 to 9, Friday 4 till 11, Saturday 12 to 11, and Sunday 2 until 9. $14 to skate, $12 for military, $10 for children under 6, or if you bring your own skates. So come and enjoy the Holidays on Ice in downtown Enid before it melts away. For Our Kids is hosting a sensory-friendly movie night on Friday night. The movie is called Elemental. It's a Disney Pixar movie following Ember and Wade in a city where fire, water, earth, and air residents all live together. It's Friday night at 6 p.m. at Central Christian Church. Free admission, and they invite you to wear your flannels or your PJs. Don't miss out. Friday night, a sensory-friendly movie night, Elemental, at Central Christian Church. The Martin Luther King Commission of Enid is presenting a couple of different events to recognize the 60th anniversary of Dr. Martin Luther King's March on Washington. The first is Saturday morning. It's a prayer breakfast from 8 until 10 a.m., and that will be at Central Assembly of God Church. The other ceremonies will take place on Martin Luther King Day on January 15th. But Saturday morning, you can head to Central Assembly of God, their Family Life Center, for the Martin Luther King Jr. Prayer Breakfast Saturday morning beginning at 8 a.m. Enid High School is hosting a New Year's Classic basketball tournament at their gymnasium Thursday through Saturday. And that's 4 more reasons to visit Enid this week. One more weekend for the magic of the holiday season with the One Bright Lights and Holidays on Ice in downtown Enid. For more information on all the events coming to Enid, go to our website, visitenid.org.